What's up, guys? My name is Joseph, and today I want to show you my not Lego, but it's made out of paper and it's actually cool. The butterfly knife. Yeah. You can't do tricks on it, but you can switch it out and, you know, like, so I am probably gonna do a tutorial on it, but yeah, I don't know. It depends on how many tacs I got and how many one of like the teared off erasers that I'm using right there. It's really cool. It took me like 50 minutes to make, and that's a wild number because that was actually fast. That was the fastest way on making a paper butterfly knife, but it actually took 50 minutes, so yeah. I probably will be doing, I'll probably stop my, Lego creations for a while, and, do my, my paper creations. Well, I only have one paper creation, which is the butterfly knife, so, I don't think I will be able to turn on to do that, but I don't know. Depends on how many tacs I got and those erasers pulled off that I have. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope that you thought this butterfly knife was cool, and I will see you on my next video. Peace!